In the first 2 episodes of this miniseries, you saw 27 features making Shark one of the safest aircraft in its category. In this final episode, we will show you how Shark protects its crew in the unlikely case of an accident.
Last time we talked about the active safety to avoid any problems with the aircraft. Now we will talk when already something happened. Let we reach the maximum safety for the passenger, for the crew. First, which I understand here, is aircraft is composite. So composite have to protect the crew.
For 3 decades, we've been producing composite parts for the leading general aviation manufacturers in the world. This experience means that the quality of composites is at its highest level, making you feel safe when flying with Shark.
My history and history in the company which was running here in the past, it's really deep know-how about the composite production, because we was producing long time parts for Diamond aircraft, for Katana, Super Dimona, DA-40 and Twin in the rate of, for the DA-40 and Twin, 1 aircraft per day. So he was really massive production of the composites part for EASA certified aircrafts, and we at that time delivered about 5-6 tons of parts every month. Material which we used that time, in reality very similar we use as well today. Technology is the same, the quality procedures are the same.
From the Formula 1 racing cars, we borrowed the concept of a cage that protects the crew in case of an accident. This part, produced out of Kevlar, is one of the most complex passive safety features we use in Shark.
Shell of the cockpit is produced like separate part on really quite complex mold. You see it here, the separate compartment for the front pilot and rear pilot or passenger. This allow us to make the system of the ribs and bulkhead which significantly improve the strength of the whole cockpit area.
Once this part is produced at our factory, it is inserted and glued within the carbon monocoque airframe of Shark.
The primary structure is all composite, and we use carbon fiber because it's one of the best material for engineers. In some points here are better materials than the carbon. You see internal shell of Shark cockpit. It's yellow-black, and yellow carbon is typically black, and yellow color is aramid fiber. Most people know the name the Kevlar, which is one of the trademark of the aramid fibers. And aramid fiber, it has a little lower strength than the carbon, but it has extraordinary impact absorption. So you will find the aramid fibers in the ballistic protection, the vests and so on. Carbon has very high strength, but in the moment of the limit load, it has brittle break, so it really breaks to the pieces. While aramid absorbs a lot of energy and it stays together. So in case of crash, the interior shell is more stays rigid, don't break in the part, and is more safety in the view that it is these parts and this structure don't hurt the passenger and pilot. One of the main points for passive safety is parachute. Parachute for this category of aircraft is standard. I understand it as standard. All Sharks which we delivered to us was equipped with parachute. We use Stratos parachute Magnum. In the past it was 500 kilo, now 600 kilo. Installed in the front of the aircraft because of the CG and design points. We have two independent handles, one in the front, on the front seat, one on the rear seat, on even of the incapability of the pilot, so passenger can activate the parachute. We had one saved aircraft and life with on the Shark with parachute when passenger installed some different type of propeller. It broke in flight. He had not place for the outlanding, was over the forest, so he activated parachute. And he is flying, and aircraft is again flying after repair, so it worked very well. With new aircraft, we deliver it equipped with a knife, multi-tool Laserman, the best what we found on the market, and we use it to have it at the handle to open the motor cooling, but as well if we understand it like safety feature in case of crash or something. Here is a knife close to the hand to cut the belts, to open the glass. One of the nice features which we have on Shark is our software for analyzing logs from the dynon. I see it as well like the significant safety feature. I can show you, for instance, when Zara was flying around the world, even if she is on the opposite side of the globe, and we was able, when she sent us log, we was able to look and to analyze all data which was indicated by sensors in the aircraft. Here you see the flight in South America from somewhere is Barranquilla to Quibdó. Here you see the airspeed and GPS altitude, and here I show, for instance, temperature of the aircraft. It's oil temperature and cylinder temperature, as we have as well sensor in the motor cooling, so we can check the temperature inside the motor cooling, and all what is indicated in dynon, and all is logged, and we can analyze and really check and help the pilot if he has any problem.
Altogether, 32 safety features that you have seen in this series make Shark Airplane one of the safest aircraft in its category. And we are very proud of it, as we can say we are doing really maximum for our customers' safety. Feel free to contact us for more information about the aircraft, or book a demo flight to experience one of the safest planes in its category firsthand.